I'll start with what we did. What we did was we took a pile of servers, installed SANsymphony-V, and turned them into essentially an enterprise-class storage virtualization environment. Right? Some of the testing that we're doing it revolves around what value that actually brings to a user. It was incredibly easy to install, very, very simple to manage, and really 15 minutes after we sat down, we had a running system, fully virtualized. We're able to do some storage performance testing that showed that we actually improved performance. We're doing some benchmarking that is simulating mixed workload, which is the type of environment you'd find in a virtualized data center. And again, what we found was that each workload in every measurable metric improved in performance over the 4 individual servers that we started with. So it's really going to be all about the business value to the end user, right? So we're going to be looking at particularly at ease of installation and management, and it really did give a great sense of just being easy to use. Everything was clearly laid out. It was not difficult to find what you needed. You knew what you were looking at every point. We're also going to be talking about the more enterprise class benefits that come with the architecture, which is getting things like HA and multipathing and snapshots and thin provisioning, all just part of the environment, and all coming out of that same pile of hardware of individual servers that you started with. Well, it should make their day-to-day lives much easier, because you really get away from managing individual disks in servers or storage arrays, in managing LUNs. All that stuff goes away, and you really are now managing applications and what those applications need and providing it effortlessly. It's absolutely going to help. I mean, storage virtualization has really been kind of an anchor around the neck of server virtualization, right? It really has not come along as quickly, and it's kind of stalled server virtualization deployments because it's perceived as difficult to deploy, difficult to use, complex, and yeah, the excuse me, SANsymphony really does help that a lot. I didn't expect an environment that was so easy to set up, a completely untuned environment, mind you, actually improving in performance after implementing virtualization and putting all of our applications, our eggs, in effect on fewer servers. I just didn't expect to see the improvement in performance and usability be that great.